पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका के ताल्लुकात चाहे एबटाबाद का वाक़या हो या उसके बाद होने वाले बहुत से दीगर वाक़यात ख़ासे कशीदा रहे हैं। आज इन ताल्लुकात को डिस्कस करने के लिए हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं अमेरिका के डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट थॉमस नाइड्स। Mr. Nides, welcome to Dawn News.
Thank you.
Let's begin with the relationship that Pakistan and the United States have. How would you describe it?
Excellent. I mean, I think we have a relationship that has been a strong relationship for many, many years. And like any strong relationship, it has its bumps. But it's in both our countries' mutual interest to get through those and work collectively together. It's the United States' most important interest to have a stable, prosperous Pakistan. And I think our relationship is a strong one and will continue to be one for a long, long time.
So would you agree that it's now a more fractured relationship rather than an easy relationship?
No, I think the relationship is like any two countries who have democratically elected sovereign countries that have their views and their opinions. I think we are two countries who have very strong beliefs. We're two countries who are very proud. So I think we're partners, and when partners have issues, they bring them up, they discuss them, they work them through. I think that the most important thing to understand is the United States believes in the Pakistani people and the Pakistani government.
I'm going to pick up on that word, the sovereignty that appears in the press in Pakistan a lot. You say that they're mutual partners, and Pakistan and the United States respect each other as sovereign states. What about incidents such as the one that happened in Abbottabad, the drone strikes that happened? And Pakistan has been out in the open saying that they're against Pakistan's sovereignty.
Hey, listen, I think we and the Pakistani people have a common goal to rid the world of violent extremists. Extremists have caused an enormous pain for the Pakistani people. Extremists have caused an enormous amount of pain to the United States of America. We can agree on that. And we're working together with the Pakistani government to rid what we believe is a very terrible element that ruins the fabric of not only Pakistan but of the United States. So we feel very comfortable that the two governments can work collectively on this common goal. That is the reason why Secretary Clinton was here 2 weeks ago. Admiral Mullen was here. I am here to reemphasize how important this relationship is, both strategically and, more importantly, for the long haul.
So would you agree that it's more of a carrot and stick policy? Because right after Secretary Clinton came the CIA chief, and apparently he showed the Pakistanis of evidence that when the CIA and when intelligence agencies do give evidence to Pakistanis, they allegedly leak it to militants, and they take advantage of that. Is there would you define that there is a lack of trust between the two sides?
No, I think we go back to the fact that we both have a fundamental goal here, which is the importance of ridding both of Pakistan and, quite frankly, many other countries of violent extremists. It doesn't help the people of Pakistan. We agree on that. The governments agree on it. I was with President Zardari. He understands that better than most. And so we will work collectively and together with the Pakistani government to accomplish that single goal.